Number 8, password management scenario 7H. The way we would set up different password policies within Avateer's identity governance administration suite is to click on the configure button from the administrative screen. And once in this screen, there is a module called Password Bouncer. And in Password Bouncer, we can create 2 new policies if we wanted to. So to create a new policy, you would come in here and click the New button, create a policy called Modern. Modern Systems, System Support, Stronger Password Policies. You can see there's a description here. I'll do a save here, and I'll go ahead and create the other policy at the same time while we're in here. Policies, and we'll create another policy. And notice that we also have built-in help for this. You can click on the video or the wiki. Now I'll log you into the wiki or play a video on how to create policies, but we'll go in and create a new policy. It's an 8-character password policy. Lowercase not allowed, uppercase not allowed, force mix case, allow any alpha character, and then under numbers, if numbers were required, we can set some various parameters here, like requiring a minimum or putting them in a position. But this will support everything. We can't tell it not to allow special characters in the way that that's done. If we go to special characters, we're going to say do not allow special characters at all. So we're going to click on that, and that won't allow special characters. Again, you have Wiki Help here that describes when special characters and how they can be used. So we're going to go ahead and press save there. We're not going to click on word list filtering or custom dictionary or patterns. None of that was included in this particular scenario. So that first policy is done, so we'll save that one. Now we'll go to Modern Systems. In the Modern Systems, we wanted the password to be a minimum of 8 characters. So maximum length we will not set, but under numbers we will say must contain a minimum 1 number. And then we can require at least 1 special character as well. So let's save this and we'll go to special characters. And under special characters, we must contain a minimum of 1 special character, and we'll press save there. So you can see here we can exclude different special characters if we wanted to. Now once these policies have been set up, they need to be applied to different systems or to different connectors in the AIMS environment. And the way that that's done is we take this modern system, and what we can do is now apply it to a authoritative source, an O unit, a group, a user, connector group, or a connector, or secondary policy. So we'll click on connectors, and you can see here these are some of the connectors that are configured for this particular system. And we can apply the modern policy to Google Apps, for example. And we can click add, and we can continue to add other applications too. Let's say ServiceNow also uses that new policy, so we could do a save. So we can assign the policies at the connector level. We could also assign the policies to specific users or groups within the organization. So we could take, this case is an OU, we could apply it to all users and all subdomains, or we could search and apply it to other users or groups. So let's go into legacy systems, and under legacy systems, again, what we need to do is we need to apply it to a connector. We'll take the AS400 as an example. We can do the same for JD Edwards if we wanted to. And now that policy is applied to that connector, and again, we can apply it to an OU or a group or users within our organization. This should satisfy number 8. Thank you for your time.